Going into our what we call the peekaboo oven. And Lisa Lasort, come over here, my darling. I am super excited about this nostalgic summer because this is something that Tara and I dreamed up about 2 years ago. I know you want to park that right there.
Thank you.
It is wonderful to see you again.
Oh my gosh,
nice
so great
to have
to
you
see
back.
you.
Nice to have you here.
Nice to see
always
you.
good to see you. Now, a couple years ago,
Yes.
Tara was over to the house.
Yes.
We were getting ready for dinner.
Yeah.
She and I walked in the pantry to get something, and she saw my original summer shells on the shelf. She said, "You have my summer shells?" I said, "I love this baker."
Yes.
I said, "Why don't we do this anymore?"
Yes.
She said, "Maybe we should."
Just
And
for
we
you.
did.
See that?
So we brought it out last year. You all loved that it was back. It was out of the archives,
Yes,
right?
it was.
And so we reordered it, brought it back in this year, and we also have a matching bowl and ramekins.
Ramekins, which you probably don't have.
Those are brand new.
Brand new.
So let's talk about the pattern, because the pattern is something you and I both love, everything beach.
It's everything beach. And these are 3 essential pieces that just speak to summer. So let's talk about the first one, that 2.5 quart covered baker. Every single one touched by an artisan, and it is so evident in here. When Tara designs something, it's going to be spectacular. So when you look at literally all the embossing, look at the top of this, David, this 2.5 quart baker, all the little checkerboard design right there. Every single shell is hand painted. This is a roadmap for the artisans to now go in and hand paint. Every shell is raised. You can feel it. You can touch it. I basically hear the ocean in the background. And then even the finial at the top right there, that beautiful conch shell right there. Covered baker's perfect for the summer. Keeps the bugs out, keeps hot longer, keeps cold longer. And then look at the sides of this. 360 degrees, inclusive of those helper handles on the side. But this is going to be your go-to summer piece.
Let's spin him around.
Look at that, David.
On the sides, on the back, is more of that beautiful color.
Stunning.
Super excited about this. And you get the baker, only order of the year, for $34.50. Now, we're not quite into beach season yet.
No.
But
I am.
Oh, I know, I'm always in it. But it's going to be here before we know it. And when it arrives, you're going to want the perfect baker to serve that great, I don't know, 7-layer dip.
Exactly.
Potato salad, mussels and clams.
Exactly. And what's so great about a covered baker, by the way, you already know this, we don't do a lot of these. And if you're new to Temp-tations, just Temp-tations 101, oven safe to 500 degrees.
Right.
Microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe. It's naturally non-stick. And here's what we love about it. You can take things like your frutte de mar, right? So you do all of your fresh seafood right here. If I want to put the lid on, great. If I don't need it, then you know what? If there's leftovers, I pop it on. I'm not pulling out my plastic wraps and my foils.
Now, if we can shoot this from the side, I want you to be able to see the food and the side of the baker, because when you put this on the table, it's going to instantly celebrate all things ocean. Now, if you live near the ocean, good for you.
Yes.
If you don't, good for you too, because now the ocean comes to your house no matter where you live.
That's exactly right. You get that coastal feel everywhere. And let's talk about the colors. We have the yellows, we have the pinks, we have the salmons, we have the oranges, we have the reds, we have the blues. We have that gorgeous seafoam green color that accents it. This is literally the most exquisite piece, in my opinion, that we make. If there was a 1 in front of this, it would be actually appropriate for this type of craftsmanship.
I mean, it's straight from the archives.
Yes.
I mean, this was
Look
a
at this.
discontinued piece, and Tara was over at my home for dinner, and we walked into the pantry. She saw it on the shelf, and she said, "Oh, you have my summer and shells."
Yes.
And I said, "I love this. It's one of my favorite pieces." And I said, "Can we ever do this again?" And she said, "I don't know, why not?"
Why not?
So we took the pattern, and when I say we, I mean Tara and Lisa.
Yes.
Took it out of archives, and they did a production run. We sold it last year, wildly popular.
Wildly popular.
Brought it back this year, our only order of the year.
That's
Getting
it.
ready for beach season, now's your chance. This will hold how much?
This will hold 2.5 quarts. It's that perfect Goldilocks size. It's an 11 by 7 baker. Look how a cake you can mix right in here comes to life. Fast forward over here, maybe your fruit salads for Mother's Day. This is that piece that if you pick up this collection of these 3 key pieces, it's everything you need for summer entertaining.
And if you're parking this in the fridge and then bringing it outside, leave that lid on top.
Yes.
That way, all the little bugs and no-see-ums stay out, and everything stays super cold on the inside.
Yes.
We come out of the oven with more goodies. How about some baked mac and cheese?
How about some baked mac and cheese?
2.5 quarts of baked mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Hello, old friend.
This is like a trifecta, right? You get the beauty, you get the functionality, you get affordability, thank you, David,
Yes.
and you also get all the, everything we know and love about stoneware, naturally non-stick. So instead of pulling out your metal bakeware, which then you would transfer into something pretty, right? This takes care of everything for you. Easy breezy baking, but to me it's all truly about the presentation. And then look at this, put the lid on, and David, that is no worry because it will keep it nice and hot for you.
It stays nice and bubbly warm until you're ready to serve it on your own plate. We've got beautiful street corn in this bowl. And now the bowl is coming up. So if you are interested in the matching bowl or the ramekins, they are going to come up in our show tonight. We are going to spend some time on them.
Got it.
So do understand that this is a special from the archives piece.
Yes.
Because we happen to know the president of the company very well.
We do.
And we're able to beg and plead, and she's able to bring out from retirement specialty pieces like these. This has been very, very popular. Lots of people buying that baker. Don't miss out on the baker. It's our only order of the year. Now, if you want the bowl, we've got 2 minutes to spend on this bowl.
Okay.
And if memory